Palak, so good to see you back in Dubai.
Same here.
What brings you here? Tell us.
I'm here for another concert. It feels like coming to my second home, literally, because people over here have showered me with so much love all these years. I just feel like giving back that love to them.
Wonderful. Let's take you back in your journey. Palak, tell us when you started singing. You started at a very early age. So tell us, when did you realize that singing was your calling?
At the age of 2.5, it might sound a little unreal, but that's the fact. I come from a Marwari family, and there hasn't been any connection with music of my family of any sorts. But I went to this stage at one of the Marwari weddings that we have. We call it Mahila Sangeet. It was my chacha's wedding, and everybody was participating. So I asked my mom if I could also do something. And I went to this stage and I sang Chal Rahi Sajni Ab Kya Soche, the Lata Ji song. Everybody was surprised, but fortunately my mom took my interest in music pretty seriously.
Yeah.
She started encouraging me to properly train in Indian classical music, and there my journey began, and I was very sure that I'm going to sing for Hindi movies.
Yeah, no, so you've given your voice to such soulful melodies. Like, tell me, how do you keep evolving your style while staying true to your essence?
A very interesting question. For me, I feel that every single day, what I'm trying to do is better myself as a singer, as an artist, as a human being. If I'm not better than I was yesterday, I feel unsettled about it. So I feel that when your focus is on growth, when your focus is on productivity, the result follows.
It does, absolutely. And in your case, we can totally see that. But tell me, when you record songs in a studio, are you kind of imagining the actor's expressions? Does that happen?
Absolutely. I'm a dreamer that way. So whenever I get a situation, I insist on speaking to the director of the film, of understanding the situation where the song is going to come, because that really helps. I feel that as a singer, you're literally acting through your voice. And when an actor comes and performs that song, if you have performed for them, it becomes easier for them to act on the screen. And I actually get into the character of the song. I actually feel that I'm that person while singing a song, yeah.
Has there been a song that has really challenged you vocally?
Many. And I give credit to the composers who have chosen me to sing such amazing songs. I feel that I've been very fortunate in my journey to have got to sing such amazing songs like Aashiqui 2 songs or Kaun Tujhe or Prem Ratan. But after Aashiqui 2, my genre was established as a soulful, sweet, melodious singer. But Himesh ji is one composer who challenged me with songs like Jumme Ki Raat Hai, Ice Cream Khaungi. He actually vested the responsibility of these songs on me when I myself didn't know that I could perform something like that. So yeah, those kind of songs.
Wonderful. Well, you don't just sing, you do such amazing work and you give back to the society. Why don't you tell us more about this initiative and how do you make time for both?
So since last 25 years, I have been running this mission called Saving Little Hearts, wherein we, as in me and my brother, we have been performing together, and every concert that I have performed so far, the remuneration has gone for the surgeries of the kids who have been suffering from heart diseases. So far, 3,936 kids have been benefited, and I feel that that's a mission of my life now.
Yeah. How did you think about doing that, and how did it strike you that you want to do something like this?
I feel that the intention of helping others is there in all of us. I'm fortunate enough to have realized that I need to implement that feeling into action. I got blessed with a voice, which I realized at a very early age is not merely a hobby or a career. I can actually use it to literally save lives. And now it's a mission for me because I am connected to those kids. I even attend the surgeries. I am in touch with those kids even after the surgeries. So it's like a process for me. Along with my singing journey, this journey is going side by side.
Right. Okay, great. You've actually answered all my questions pretty rapidly, so I don't know if this rapid fire makes sense, but there is a rapid fire that I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
Okay. What is the one thing people don't know about Palak Muchal? The person, not the singer.
The person. That I am phobic of water.
Really? You don't know how to swim?
No.
High five, and I don't. Who is your most favorite duet partner?
Arijit Singh Bhaiya.
Arijit Singh, of course. One old song you wish you had sung.
If I say I
Don't
wish I
say,
had
sing
sung.
it.
एक्चुअली मैं विश तो नहीं करती हूँ कि मैं गाऊँ बिकॉज मैं ज़रूरत ही नहीं करूँगी लता जी का गाना है बट आई लव सिंगिंग इट हमको मिली है आज घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले
How amazing is that? This turned out to be one of my favorite songs. So thank you. Thank you so much. But that doesn't mean I'll not ask you to sing another one. This is part of the rapid fire, okay? Okay, next question. Morning riyaz or late night jamming? What do you prefer?
Riyaz any time of the day, actually. Yeah.
Okay. One fan moment that completely melted your heart.
So there was this one particular concert where a girl was waving a book at me, and I thought that she might be asking for a photograph or an autograph, but she came to me and she told me that we read about you in our textbooks. And that's when I found out that CBSE and Maharashtra Board had actually included a chapter named Palak Muchal
What?
in the textbooks. And
Which subject is
of
this?
this 7th standard moral science, and I was quite touched by that.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
so lovely that a fan has actually come and mentioned to you, and she must be learning about you. And she मुझे तो सब पता है आपके बारे में, फिर भी पढ़ रही हूँ. But cool, you've aced it. Very good.
Thank
but
you.
We won't leave you without you singing "Kaun Tujhe." It's my favorite song.
Alright, it's especially for you then. तो आता है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मेरी जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ हाँ हाँ हाँ
Love it, love it. You can't see the goosebumps. So, there.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Palak. We wish you all the very best for your show, and maybe keep seeing you again and again and again.
Looking forward to that. Thank you.